Hi there, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to blend two images effectively and efficiently. This method not only gives you the best way to blend two images, and also it happens in a very short period of. So let's dive into the Photoshop and let's learn how to do it. So I have this image and I want to add this clock's image to this image. So what I will do is extract this clock from this image by selecting any selection tool. In this case, I'll go to elliptical marquee tool. Select like this, then press Command J. So now let's go to the move tool, click and drag this image on top of this image. Okay, so let's zoom out and let me rename this image to clock. Press Command T to using transform tool, hold Shift key and click and adjust the size. Now from here, select the background. I'll create a duplicate layer for the safer side by pressing Ctrl J or Command J. Now hold Shift key and select these two layers. Go to Edit and click on Auto Blend Layers. Okay, then select Stack Images and click OK and wait for some time. That's it. It's beautifully done. Okay, so there you go. Blending two images beautifully, perfectly, efficiently. Do follow this method. Once you do it, tag us and do not forget to subscribe us. And if you're on Instagram, do not forget to follow us. Thank you so much. Bye bye.